If you want your friend to instantly open a conversation with you on WhatsApp by simply clicking a link, you're just a few steps away. Here's how you can easily create and share your WhatsApp link. Solution 1. Create your WhatsApp link. Open any app through which you'll share the link. This could be any app like Facebook, Instagram, or others. Let's say I'd like to send my WhatsApp profile link to a friend from Message app. So first I need to open the Message app and tap the text boy. Type wa.me/ in the message field, and after the slash, enter your WhatsApp number with the country code. For example, it should look like this: wa.me/ plus 8801 567 89809. Send this link to your friend and it will automatically generate a clickable link. Solution 2. Share the link. When your friend clicks on the link, it will open a WhatsApp conversation with you instantly. And there you have it. This simple method works for both iOS and Android devices. Thanks for watching. To stay updated on our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.